So now I'll be doing the demonstration of prototype. So this is our architecture flow diagram. So later in the demo, we'll be looking at the timeshare peer and the customer peer. So this is our smart contract flow. So we'll be looking at two identities. First is the timeshare company, which is on the left. This is what the timeshare company will be looking at the apps. And on the right is the timeshare customer, which they will be looking at their apps. So the timeshare company will be creating the smart contract. So once the smart contract is created, the status will be changed to pending customer approval. So as you can see that the status is in red. So it means that this status cannot be changed by any of these identities, cannot be changed by the company and the customer. So it will only change when the contract progresses. Yeah. So once the contract is created, it will be sent to the customer app. So the customer will be notified and the customer will verify the content inside the smart contract. So let's say that the customer want to change something, maybe the bank name OCBC to UOB. So the customer will request the timeshare company to change the bank name. So timeshare company will update it, you'll press this update, and then the bank name will change to UOB, and then the status will be changed. Let me say that timeshare company updated pending customer approval. So now at this point, the timeshare customer will be reviewing the content again, and once they are happy with the content, they'll press the approve button. We should go to step 3. Once they pressed it, the status will change again automatically to customer approve. Then once customer has approved this smart contract, it will be sent to the timeshare company app and notify them, say that the contract is been approved. So in this case, so once the smart contract has been approved, there will be no any editing of contents. So next will be the demo time. Okay, so this is the Visual Studio Code. So I have opened up my Explorer. So you can see this is the timeshare contract. So now we open it up and we'll be able to. So this is our timeshare contract specification where we specify and describe what should be inside the timeshare contract. So this is the timeshare contract, and this is our UML. So next I go to the IBM blockchain platform. This is the smart contract. So you can see that we have actually 6 versions of it. So now let's go to the Fabric environment. So we enter this timeshare local. So under this timeshare local, you'll be looking at, we'll open up this my channel, and you'll see that the timeshare version 6 is being deployed. This smart contract. So this is my nodes, and this is my organization. So now let's go to the Fabric gateway to look at the transactions. So my channel. Let's create timeshare. So this is the transaction arguments that's been specified inside the timeshare contract. I won't be doing this demo on the local site. So later I'll be going to the cloud to do it. Yeah, so it's about same. That's it. So now let's go to the cloud. essentially exit. So Fabric environment, IBM platform, IBM blockchain platform and cloud. So let's enter. Now it's logging in. It's been a while. Okay, now it's connected to Timeshare. It's still loading. So as you can see, there's 3 channels. So for this demo purpose, we're looking at channel 3. So you can see that we already deployed Timeshare version 6 in. So these are the nodes: customer peer and Timeshare peer, and organizations. Okay, so we have entered the Fabric gateway of Timeshare peer. So now let's go to channel 3. And let's create the contract. So as you can see that on the first step, we need to create a smart contract. So let's create this smart contract first. Let me change this to 70. OCBC 600. Okay, let's submit. So no value returned from create timeshare. So you can see that this transaction has been submitted. So now we have created this already. So now the customer will be able to read the contract. So number 2, step 2, now we have read. So you can see that name OCBC, the name, pending customer approval. Okay, so like we say, maybe the customer want to change something, so maybe change to UOB. Then the timeshare company side will update the timeshare. Okay, so now this no value return from update timeshare. So it's already been submitted. So now customer will go back and read the contract again. So evaluate. So now you can see that the bank name has been changed to UOB and timeshare company updated, pending customer approval. So now that the customer has verified the smart contract, next the customer will press the approval button. So in the background, let's simulate customer approve. So submit transaction. So no value returned from customer approve. So it's been submitted. Let's read. So now timeshare company will be able to read So as you can see here, UOB, and most importantly, the status will be changed to customer approved. Okay, so customer approved, timeshare company will be notified, say that customer has been approved and timeshare company has read the contract. So now, since the contract has been finalized, so the content should not be able to be should not be able to be editable. So we try to update this again. Maybe we change to TWD. And then submit transaction. So as you can see that timeshare 70 is already approved, unable to edit. So there's no way you can edit the content inside the smart contract once approved. So that's the end of the demo. So in conclusion, our timeshare blockchain solution addressed the problem of trust and transparency in the timeshare market. So it embodies the following key functionalities: consensus, provenance, immutability, and finality. So this blockchain solution will be well positioned for future development in real-time tokenization.